I dedicated my last YouTube video to a new subscriber because I thought it would be pretty funny. But then a jealous comment by another one of my subscribers made me realize that it wasn't that funny. I mean, how could I show all my subscribers that I love them equally? But then I noticed who the comment was from. Are you kidding me, Bluell? It's not enough that I dedicated my entire channel and every single one of my videos to you? Like, what else do you want? I mean, do you want me to send you my organs or something? Anyway, here's a video about mufflers. This little red guy is a tube bender that I exchanged for currency. I've never used it before, so maybe I want the bend point to be like right there. Get in the frickin' hole. No frickin' chance, buddy. I'll bend the shit out of this thing. Huh. Well, that doesn't look good. Sometimes you just gotta send it, though. I'll count that as a failure. Round 2. Okay. Alright, well this doesn't seem to be working either. But we'll just YOLO it! Alright. We YOLO'd it. And it didn't work. That's a pretty decent bend right there, I think. Now I know what you're thinking. Wow, you really fucked up that bend. And you're right, if I was actually trying to bend it. But what I really wanted was to cut 2 smaller pieces from this one big one. And this bend is perfect for locating that cut. These tests are probably going to be quite short, and by probably I mean they will, because I am terrified. Last time I used this engine, my neighbor came out and started screaming at me. I was terrified. I thought I was about to get killed, honestly. So, short tests.